Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Martella Aprilia, NIM 37201123. Saya akan membacakan teks tentang ekonomi dalam bahasa Inggris yang berjudul Market. Market is one of a variety of systems, institutions, procedures, social relations, and infrastructure in which business sell goods, service and labor for the people exchange for money, good and service sold to use as legal tender flat money. This activity is part of the economy. It is an arrangement that allows buyer and seller to exchange items. Competition is very important in the market and separated from the trading market. Two people may to do the trade, but it takes at least 3 people to have a market. So 3 is competition on at least on the two sides. Market vary in size, rank, geographic scale, location, type, and variety of the human community, as well as the type of good and service traded. Some examples include local farmer market held in the town square or parking lots, shopping center and shopping mall, international currency and commodity market. The law creating such a market for pollution permits and illegal markets like the market for illicit drugs. In mainstream economics, the concept of the market is any structure that allows buyer and seller to exchange any type of goods, service, and information. Exchange of goods or service for money is a transaction. Market participant consists of all buyer and seller are both affecting its price. This influence is a major study of economics and has founded several theories and models of basic market forces of supply and demand. There are two rules in the market: buyer and seller. Market facilitate trade and allow the distribution and allocation of resources in the community. Market allow all items to be evaluated and traded prices. An emerging market is more or less spontaneous or deliberately constructed by human interaction to allow the exchange of right, ownership, service, and good. Kesimpulannya, pasar merupakan hubungan sosial dan ekonomi yang timbal balik, di mana usaha menjual barang dan jasa, dan tenaga kerja diberi imbalan dengan uang. Penjual dan pembeli memakai alat pembayaran yang sah, yaitu flat. Kegiatan perekonomian ini memungkinkan penjual dan pembeli untuk sistem pertukaran. Persaingan dalam pasar menyebabkan terpisahnya pasar dari perdagangan. Pasar membutuhkan 2 atau 3 orang untuk melakukan perdagangan, sehingga adanya persaingan satu dari dua belah pihak. Variasi pada pasar terletak pada ukuran, skala geografis, jangkauan, dan berbagai komunitas manusia. Contohnya, pasar petani diadakan di alun-alun kota dan tempat parkir, pusat perbelanjaan, mata uang internasional, dan pasar komoditas. Hukum menciptakan pasar seperti seperti izin polusi dan pasar ilegal seperti menjual obat-obat terlarang. Dalam ilmu ekonomi, konsep pasar memungkinkan pembeli dan penjual menukar barang dan informasi. Pertukaran tersebut dinamakan transaksi. Ada dua peran pasar untuk pembeli dan penjual. Pasar merupakan fasilitas perdagangan dan memungkinkan sumber daya dalam masyarakat. Harga dalam pasar muncul atau sengaja dibangun oleh interaksi manusia untuk memungkinkan pertukaran kepemilikan antara barang dan jasa. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.